Hey gang, Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. I am out and about today. It's Tuesday, April 22nd. Happy Earth Day, everybody. I am anxious for what I'm about to do because they spent the winter renovating and updating, so I'm really excited. Into Mr. Baldy's, located on Ridge Road. Everybody knows Mr. Baldy's has some of the best breakfast on the island. They open at 6 o'clock in the morning. They are doing breakfast, lunch, and dinner daily. So yeah, you need to come out and see it. We're going to go in here and see what's happening. So hold on a second. All right, it looks like we got some new paint. Counter, that is a staple here. And yeah, so new paint. All you beetle lovers, they kept the beetle wall. That's a big thing here because I know everybody loves the beetle wall. I know I like the beetle wall too. And look, they kept the glass so you can go underneath with your I love how they do this. You can go underneath with your the rings from the holder together for the napkins and the silverware. So that's that's a big staple here too. So yeah, lots of pretty pictures, new booths, updated booths. And back in here they took all the Chincoteague Carnival posters from years gone by and they put them back in the back room here. Y'all remember when this was Edda's? That's when I very first started coming to Chincoteague. This used to be Edda's. Yeah, so that's what's happening in this room. Again, new tables, new chairs, lots of updates. Again, the color looks great. I love the gray. Gray is a real in color right now for anybody that didn't know. Really cool pictures. Oh, I love this picture. Absolutely beautiful. Billy Ray is here. Already causing me a hard time, but that's Billy Ray and we all love her. So we're going to taste the food now. So we have a new menu. Appetizers. This is the lunch and dinner sides. So they still have the salads, the kids menu, and then the entrees. I don't know what I'm going to have yet. I really don't. And then there's seafood. I might have to try some seafood. I'm kind of in the mood for fried fish. And then, of course, their sandwiches and their sides and their baskets. And they have subs. So, yeah, we're going to see what's going on here. And I don't know what I want. We will see. I'm excited. It looks really nice in here. Oh, look at this picture. Look at that picture. Zoom in on that. Isn't that gorgeous? I know they're not Chincoteague ponies, but it's still a pretty picture. And there's another horse picture up there. So that looks like they brought in a lot with the horses into their design and everything. So we'll see what happens. So I got the creamy crab soup. Lots of crab meat in here. And it is really good. Lots of flavor. So I got the bowl and it's huge. And now I got to figure out what I'm going to eat and try to eat that too, because this is very thick. You can see how thick it is, and it has lots of crab meat, and it's really, really good. So if you ever come to Baldy's, try their creamy crab soup. Okay, so I decided not to do with the seafood because my iron's low lately, and I like to feature things that not everybody can enjoy, but some people do. And I love liver and onions, and they have it on the menu here. And because my iron has been low lately, I decided to try it. So, because this is one dish I love to eat out, but I'm not going to cook it myself. So I got the liver and onions with gravy and mashed potatoes with gravy, and I got the beets. So, and it's it's not a real thick cut liver, which is perfect. And again, I know this isn't a popular dish, but it is one that I enjoy, and I knew I needed the iron. So, oh my, the gravy here, this is the same gravy they use for the meatloaf. And if you watch my video in the past, they have the best meatloaf here. That liver is really good. So if you want to try liver and onions, or if you enjoy liver and onions, definitely head over to Mr. Baldy's because it is really good. And the beets, beets are always good. I love beets. Mashed potatoes are so good too. Very rich, creamy, and real. They're not new box stuff. So that's a good thing. So, liver and onions, mashed potatoes, and beets. Come and try it at Mr. Baldy's. Now let's see if I get dessert. We'll see. Decided against dessert. They do offer desserts. There's a case over there with it looks like sliced cakes, and I think there's some pies and stuff. But the liver and onions was really good. And I know it's not something for everybody, but I really wanted to try it because I do like it. And I wanted to highlight something that maybe you didn't know it was here, but you are a fan like me. So if you're looking for liver and onions and you're on Chincoteague, Mr. Baldy's has it on their menu. So, a girl loving food on Chincoteague. Come back and see me again. I want to try and do a little bit of something. Not every day. It's hard. But I will be doing more. So, welcome back to spring. Spring is springing and spring has sprung, and it's beautiful here on Chincoteague today. Take care, guys.